Hello everybody. Today I will be sharing the formulas on how to calculate the median, quartiles and mode for a discrete set of values and a frequency distribution. I am a math educator and teacher, an online tutor teaching mathematics for over 3 decades, and this is a part of class 11 maths and also used at the college level. So coming to the basic formulas, if there are n observations x1, x2, xn arranged in ascending or descending order, the median is defined as the n plus 1 by 2th observation if n is odd, and it is the average of the n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observation if n is even. That means you take n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation and divide it by 2, and that will be the median. What about a grouped frequency distribution? For a grouped frequency distribution, we choose the median class, that is, we divide n by 2, the sum of the frequencies, and see where that lies. So median is L plus n by 2 minus C by F into I, where L is the lower limit of the median class, n is the total number of observations, C is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, F is the frequency of the median class, and I is the width of the class interval. So notice that n is also the sum of the frequencies. Again, a useful formula giving you the connection between mean, median and mode. Mode is 3 times median minus 2 times mean. What happens for a grouped frequency distribution with equal classes? How do you calculate the mode for that? Now keep in mind that for a discrete set of values, mode is the value which occurs the most frequently. If you are just given a frequency distribution without class intervals, mode is the value with the highest frequency. What happens when the frequency distribution has equal classes? We use this formula, mode equal to L plus Fm minus 1 by 2Fm minus Fm minus 1 minus Fm plus 1 into C, where L is the lower limit of the model class, Fm is the frequency of the model class, Fm minus 1 is frequency of the class preceding the model class, Fm plus 1 is frequency of the class succeeding the model class, and C is the width of the class interval. Now for a simple series or a simple frequency distribution, we arrange the values in ascending or descending order. Now we are going to quartiles. Basically, quartiles divide the data into 4 parts. So you have the first quartile, which is Q1, the second quartile, which is also the median, and the third quartile, which is Q3. So for a simple series or just a set of values or a simple frequency distribution, the lower quartile Q1 is n plus 1 by 4th value. The median is n plus 1 by 2th value or the second quartile, and the third quartile is 3 into n plus 1 by 4th value. For a frequency distribution with equal class intervals, Q1 is L plus n by 4 minus C by F into I, where L is the lower limit of the first quartile class. How do you find the first quartile class? Divide n by 4 and find the class in which that lies. C is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the first quartile, F is the frequency of the first quartile, and I is the width of the class interval. Again, the third quartile Q3 equal to L plus 3n by 4 minus C by F into I, where L is the lower limit of the third quartile class. How will you find the third quartile class? Divide n by 3 into 3 by 4 and multiply by 3 and find the class in which it lies. And n also stands for the sum of the frequencies. C is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the third quartile, F is the frequency of the third quartile class, and I is the width of the class interval. So you can register for an online webinar on median, quartile and mode. This would take about 2 sessions of 1 hour each approximately, and you can contact me on matthews.suman@gmail.com for more details. So share this with a few students or at least 5 students who may benefit from this. So I'm going to log off now. See you later. Thank you and stay subscribed.